Hello friends, welcome to SSDN Technologies. You might have heard about the Java and JavaScript, one of the most popular programming languages of the decade. While each of these have enormous applications, today in this session we will compare the two on the basis of various factors. The discussion will be initiated with the introduction, then we'll discuss the similarities, differences and compare the both on the basis of OOPS, running platform, mobile application, learning curve, compilation, support, syntax and scope. So let's start the discussion. What is Java? Java is a general purpose programming language, class-based object-oriented programming language designed for having lesser implementation dependencies. Java was originally developed by James Gosling and Sun Microsystem and released in 1995. After that, several new versions are released. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is often abbreviated as JS, is a high-level programming language which is designed by Brendan Eich initially in 1995. While the first stable version got released in 2020, it is one of the core technologies of World Wide Web along with HTML and CSS. First, we look at the similarities of both. Number 1. Front-end development. Both the languages can be used in aspect of front-end development. JavaScript can be embedded directly into the HTML, which is implemented as a framework, while Java can be used as Java applet. Number 2. Back-end development. Both the languages can be used on the server side. Java has long been used to power based backend technologies such as Apache, JBoss, Node.js has become launched for JavaScript power servers. Now we will look at the comparison side. Number 1. OOPS. Java is an object-oriented language that uses objects to perform any specific actions based on relation between objects, while JavaScript is an object-oriented scripting language that uses objects which are similar to Java. Number 2. Running platform. Java application and programs run in Java Virtual Machine, which required installation of JRE and JDK on system, while JS web applications run on a web server and no need for any initial setup. Number 3. Mobile application. Old applications of mobile phones are mostly written in Java, and smartphone platforms like Android and Symbian also support Java. Using JavaScript, we can develop mobile applications, but there are few limitations as we need to use third-party tools like PhoneGap to convert it to native programming code which mobile platform can execute. Number 4. Learning curve. Java has extensive documentation, online resources, online forms, communities, from which we can learn easily. If we want to build application and programming, we can learn Java. JavaScript also has an extensive list of online resources, documentations, online forums by which we can learn easily as we can see its execution in the browser immediately. If we want to make web application, we can learn JavaScript. Number 5. Compilation. Java programs are compiled and interpreted as it is a programming language, while JavaScript is interpreted as it is a scripting language with a plain text code. Number 6. Support. Java is supported by most of the operating system as almost every operating system supports. JavaScript is supported by many web browsers that come with different OS, and web developers can directly create using script as it will be straightforward. Number 7. Syntax. Java language syntax is similar to C or C++ programming language. Java program will be in objects and classes. JavaScript language syntax is pretty similar to the C programming language, but naming conventions are similar to Java programming language. Number 8. Scope. Java is almost everywhere and it's independent language that can run on different operating systems. Also, Java uses block-based scoping where variable goes out of scope once control comes back out of a block. JavaScript is mostly used on different web browsers and completely relies on CSS and HTML, due to which it's not available globally. JS uses function-based scoping as the variable can be accessed in function. Now I will tell you that both the languages will help you to become full-stack developers. And if you want to learn or get trained in any of the languages, then you can contact at SSDN Technologies.